Díomh cóide agus tá fáilte obair asca dí scéalta le hífe tá sula an gúisimh go maith agus réile ha scélín bheag eile á léh le chéile agan. So, iniu tá leabhar agan atá trí bhéirle, which atá sé beag an difriúil dúine, ach leabhar dul os clíigí for glú sa béirle. Okay, tá madréis. We're ready now to read a book that's in English. And like one of the other books that we read before, this book is a little bit longer. So there's not as many pictures in it and it's a little bit longer. So like the other book that we've read, we're going to split this book in half. We'll read half now and we'll read half on another day. Okay, so the book that we have today, I love this book. I used to read this book when I was small. It's called Hedgehogs Don't Eat Hamburgers, which I didn't know, but I'm sure we'll find out soon enough as well. So Hedgehogs Don't Eat Hamburgers, and it's written by Vivian French, and there's a couple of pictures and they're done for us by Chris Fisher. So as I say, we're going to chop this book in half. We'll probably read half now and half another day. And as I say, you can close your eyes, you can make the pictures in your head if you want, or you can have a look at the pictures that I have here. Okay, we ready to go? Right, let's go. So hedgehogs don't eat hamburgers. I wonder why. Hector saw a picture on a paper bag. What's that? He asked. Well, that's a hamburger, said his dad. Can I have one for my tea? Asked Hector. No, said his dad. Hedgehogs don't eat hamburgers. Well, I do, said Hector. And I'm going to go and find one for my tea. He seems adamant he'd like a hamburger for his tea. Hector set off to find a hamburger. Here I go, here I go, here I go, he sang as he walked along. Hattie popped out to see who was going by. Hello, said Hector. I'm going to find my tea. Would you like to find some fat snails? Hattie asked. No, thank you, said Hector. I'm going to find a hamburger. Hedgehogs don't eat hamburgers, said Hattie. I do, said Hector. Oh, okay, said Hattie. Maybe I'll come too. And so she did. Hector and Hattie set off to find a hamburger. Here we go, here we go, here we go, they sang as they walked along. Harry popped out to see who was going by. Hello, said Hector. We're going to find my tea. Would you like some slow, slimy slugs? Harry asked. I've got plenty. Oh my goodness, look. Slimy slugs. I think I prefer a hamburger too. No, thank you, said Hector. I'm going to find a hamburger. Hedgehogs don't eat hamburgers, said Harry. I do, said Hector. Oh, okay, said Harry. Maybe I'll come too. And so he did. Hector and Hattie and Harry set off to find a hamburger. Here we go, here we go, here we go, they sang as they walked along together. There's lots of sounds in this book. What have we had? Hedgehog, hamburger, Hattie, Harry. There's lots of sounds. Hester popped out to see who was going by. Hello, said Hector. We're going to find my tea. Would you like some big black beetles? Hester asked. I've got lots. No, thank you, said Hector. I'm going to find a hamburger. Hedgehogs don't eat hamburgers, said Hester. Well, I do, said Hector. Oh, okay, said Hester. Maybe I'll come too. And so she did. There's lots of hedgehog friends coming together. I wonder if they'll actually find a hamburger. Hector and Hattie and Harry and Hester set off to find a hamburger. Here we go, here we go, here we go, they sang as they walked along. Fox popped out to see who was going by. Hello, said Hector. We're going to find my tea. Tea, eh? Said Fox. What a good idea. He looked at the fat little hedgehogs and he licked his lips. I'm going to find a hamburger, said Hector. What a good idea, said Fox. Shall I show you the way? Yes, please, said Hector. I'm not sure if we can trust Fox, but we'll see. Hector and Hattie and Harry and Hester set off after Fox. Here we go, here we go, here we go, they sang as they walked along. Shh, said Fox. Oh, said Hector and Hattie and Harry and Hester. They walked up the hill and down the hill. So we know the fox doesn't like to sing when he's going on adventures. Are we nearly there? Asked Hector. Nearly, said Fox. He sniffed the air. Yes, we're nearly there. Hector sniffed the air too. What is it? He asked. That's the smell of the town, said Fox. That's where the hamburgers are. Oh, so Fox is bringing them to the nearest town. I wonder if they'll find them there. Oh, said Hector. He sniffed the air again. He could smell cars and smoke and shops and houses. He could smell danger. Maybe I don't want a hamburger today. Maybe I'll have big black beetles or slow slimy slugs or fine fat snails. Maybe hedgehogs don't eat hamburgers after all. Hector turned around, and Hattie and Harry and Hester all turned around too. Here we go, here we go, here we go, they sang. Just a minute, said Fox, and he opened his mouth wide. His teeth were sharp and white. What about my tea? Well, you can have a hamburger, said Hector. I don't know about Fox. I don't know if we can trust him. But I don't want a hamburger, said Fox. I want fat little hedgehogs. And he jumped at Hector and Hattie and Harry and Hester. Here we go, here we go, here we go, they sang. They sang the 4 little hedgehogs, and they rolled themselves up tightly into 4 prickly balls. Ouch, said Fox as he hurt his nose. Ouch, ouch, ouch. He turned around and ran up the hill and down the hill. He didn't stop running until he got all the way home to his mammy. Oh my goodness. So I knew we couldn't trust Fox. He tried to eat the hedgehogs, but they had a good idea. They crunched up into little balls. Hector and Hattie and Harry and Hester looked at one another. Let's go home, said Hector. So they all set off to go home. Home we go, home we go, home we go, they sang as they walked up the hill and down the hill. They got home just in time to have fine fat snails, slow slimy slugs, and big black beetles for their tea. Look at them singing all together. Now, there is oh, look, it keeps going on. So we have another half of the book to read, but I'm going to put a little marker. I'm going to put a little piece of paper in the book so I don't lose my page. And we're going to come back to it next time, and we can read the next half together the next time. So, dúna gibhar glúsa béarla, close your English ears. Whoop. Okay, tá muid críoc na hInis a cóide agus asúla gon bheice mé sibh an chéad uile agus faithimúid amach cad a éhan gráneoga go díreach. Sána cóide.